Hello beautiful people, this is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Hi guys, today I have something very different and special. I am going to show you how to make masala poha bath. I have learned this dish from my mom. Poha is actually a very famous dish in Maharashtra, but this dish which I am going to show you today is slightly different. And it's quite heavy because this is a masala bath. It's going to have lot of ingredients like vegetables and masala in this, so you can consume this for lunch also. It's going to be very interesting video, so watch this video till the end and let's start this video. To make the masala poha bath, I have taken poha. It is the chuda poha. It is hard, so we have to soak this in water for around 10 minutes. So let's do it. So now I am adding some water to soak the poha. So until the poha soaks, let's note down the other ingredients. So these are the main ingredients to make the masala poha bath. So I have chopped finely one big tomato, some cooking oil, maybe 3 tablespoons. Then I have taken finely chopped vegetables like the peas, carrot, potato and beans, and some corn also. I have chopped them finely because it will be easy for us to cook and it looks nice also. I have taken around 1 inch ginger and I have smashed it. Finely chopped coriander. I have taken some cinnamon and cloves, around 5 to 6 cloves, and around small half inch of cinnamon, and I have grinded them coarsely, and I have taken 1 bay leaf, and finely chopped green chilies around 5 to 6, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. So now the poha is soaked and I have also drained the water. Now let's add some salt in the poha. So I'm adding a little salt. Maybe we have to add some more salt when we are cooking the masala. So now let's start making the poha. You can heat the pan and wait till the pan is heated so that you can add some oil. Adding some oil. So now first let's add some jeera. Now let's add the masala, the cinnamon and the cloves and the bay leaves. Now fry them well. Now you can add some green chilies. Wait for the green chilies to fry well. So once it is roasted, you can also add the vegetables. Now we can add the vegetables. Fry them well. Now you can add the ginger paste. Since the vegetables are finely chopped, it will cook fast. Now the vegetables are cooking, so I have also added the tomatoes. So let's fry them well. Now you can add some turmeric and the biryani masala. Stir it well. Now you can add some salt in this. Add little salt because we've already added salt in the poha. So that the tomato and the vegetables cook well. So now I am getting a very good aroma of the masala and the vegetables are also fully cooked. At this time we can add the poha in this mixture. So now let's mix the poha with the masala. So now the poha is blend well with the masala and it's almost ready. You can garnish now with coriander. So the masala poha bath is ready to eat. So the masala poha bath is ready. Let's taste it. It's quite delicious. Hope you enjoyed my today's video and I'm sure you're going to try a masala poha bath at your place and let me know in the comments at how you liked it. So take care and keep watching Fashion and Lifestyle. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos and do click on the bell icon to get notification of my further videos. Take care. Bye.